Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org, and today we're talking about reading glasses made in the USA. So I recently got a question in our YouTube comments on our sunglasses made in the USA video that I did actually a long time ago, that was asking about reading glasses, and we actually just finished up some written research on allamerican.org about this very topic. So I figured I'd film this video. This one's for you, YouTube commenter. Now, obviously, reading glasses are a really personal purchase. I don't have or need them just yet, but make sure to consult your eye doctor if you need to on which types of readers are going to be best for you. And like I just alluded to, we just published that reading research on allamerican.org on stuff that's made in the US, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, as well as the cards at the top of the video. Now, a lot of the brands that I'm mentioning in today's video are doing all of their assembly in the US and sourcing most of their raw materials from US suppliers, but not all of them. So there's going to be some brands that are just assembled in the US, but I'll make sure to call that out when I mention them. All right, first up is Thin Optics. Thin Optics is based in California and is best known for their super compact, flexible reading glasses that can fit in something like your wallet or your phone case. They source some of their raw materials from international suppliers, but their lenses are made here, and of course they're doing all of their assembly for all of their readers in the US. A lot of their frames and cases are also made domestically. Just make sure to contact their team if you have specific questions about certain raw materials that go into the readers that you're looking at. But if you're looking for something super portable, Thin Optics is a really good American-made option. Next up is Hip Optical. Hip Optical is based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and assembles all of their prescription and reading glasses out of their Florida lab. Some of their raw materials, like the acetate and hinges that go into their glasses, are sourced from overseas, but like I said, they're doing all of their assembly in Florida, and all of their lenses are also all manufactured here. They have a ton of different lens styles and reading magnifications, so make sure to browse their inventory for something that's going to be a good fit for you. And they also have a trial program too, so you can try them out, and if they don't work for you, you can ship them right back and get your money back. Next up is Chiron. Chiron's based in Greenville, South Carolina, and is one of the oldest eyewear manufacturers in the country, dating all the way back to 1865. A lot of their iconic styles, including their reading glasses, are still manufactured in the US. They have a few materials that they are importing, but the large majority of them are still made here. And the last one I'll mention here is Sant Eyewear. Sant Eyewear is based in San Diego, California, and really focuses on making environmentally friendly and handcrafted reading glasses and sunglasses that are made in the US. Their readers specifically are made here with American acetate as well as domestically cut lenses. Sant is very transparent about their production, and their team is super responsive as well. So if you have specific questions about some of their readers or sunglasses, you can reach out to their team and they should get back to you really quickly. So if you're looking for a pair of higher-end reading glasses from a company that is super environmentally friendly and really focused on low-waste production, Sant Eyewear is a really good option. Alrighty y'all, short and sweet for this one. Like I mentioned before, we have a ton of additional context and research on reading glasses made in the USA. These are just a few of the brands that are made here, so make sure to check out that written research on allamerican.org in the description below. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or any other brands that you want us to check out. And as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.